Hello dear friends, today in this video I will discuss how to search the Google Scholar. It's a very common database after the PubMed, though it is not as specific as PubMed, but it has a very large number of studies, and as you know that Google is a very large database, so that's very commonly used while looking into the literature review. So I will show you how to search on the Google Scholar. It's a bit easier as compared to PubMed. We'll go on to the Google Scholar here, and we'll open Google Scholar. There are very less options in Google Scholar. As previous videos we have seen that there are multiple ways to search in PubMed, and there are different filters and options. There are not so many options in Google Scholar, so it's quite easy. Now I will follow the simple examples. For example, I will show you the options, certain options. This is your profile. You have to make an account. So I have already logged in. Here you have to click on articles. These are options. My library, you can store the articles, like I have some of the things stored, so you can store like this. Then you can, in Google Scholar, you can create an alert. Create an alert means you have been searching for certain kind of studies for your new project, and your project may last for next few months, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, or even 1 year or more. So there are new studies keep on publishing on that topic at different journals, places. So you can create an alert that whenever a new study is published related to that topic which you are working on, you will get an alert through email that a new study has been published on that topic, and you can also include that new studies as well. So here you can create an alert easily. So here I'm not doing it because I have not yet selected any study. So here in settings you can go and you can select the languages, and you can do a manual settings here that you want to see search articles. How many results per page, you can say 10, or for example you can say 20 results should appear on each page. There are certain options, so that's not very difficult. Now what I wish to see you, here is an option of advanced search. For let me show you simple search in Google Scholar. For example, I am searching for same option, say myocardial infarction. See, I'm using the Boolean operators. I have shown you in the videos on PubMed that we use the 3 Boolean operators, and or not, and that is fairly common across different databases. You will use these Boolean operators and it will search like that. So here you can also use the Boolean operators. So I'm searching myocardial infarction, and say for example atrial fibrillation. I'm saying an end heparin, not rivaroxaban. So you can run a search. Sheet is showing you some 12,000 results. There are different articles, 20 articles per page as we have previously selected. You can search across different pages, and here you see in the left bar it is giving you time that you want to search from 2024 to 2023, or anytime means it will show you from inception for last 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, since the first study came out related to that topic. Or you can give it your custom range. Say for example I wish to search only last 5 years, so I wish to search from 2019 through 2024. So see, now only 5,000 results. And here you can say that you only wish to see review articles or any type. Here we will search any type, because in review articles it will only show us only review articles. In any tab it will show us every kind of article, whether it's a clinical trial or observational study, whereas in review article see only 1600 results. So we will go with any type. So this is the one simple way to search Google Scholar. Second, here are certain options, like you can save this study from here, you can create your own new library, a collection, say XYZ, and you can save it. I'm not doing it currently. You can do it like that. You can cite this article and see it is showing all 4 versions. It is showing all 4 versions, all 9 versions. That version means it will show you from where you can access the same article. See, you can access the same article through the journal, through this is another site. It will show you that you can search this article through PubMed. So it will show you sources, that from many sources you can see the same article. And here you can see the impact of an article, how impactful an article, a study has been. So say for example, this study is only cited by just one study. Here this is second study cited by 11 studies. Here in other article I will show you. You can also judge the impact of an article, that how many times that article has been cited by other studies. Say for example, this article has been cited by 40 studies. So and then there are articles will show you hundreds of citations, even thousands sometimes. So just like that. So you can see, so this is the one option that is a very simple option to search on the Google. Now I'm showing you the advanced search option. Advanced search option is almost similar to PubMed, and you can go to advanced, and here see in the first share is saying with all the words. If you are searching for an article, you can say that I wish to see the results that in an article or a study that includes all of these my keywords. It will specifically look for only articles that have all these keywords used in the study. Now it is saying another option said with exact phrase. For example, you are seeing I wish to see the studies with these keywords, but those are specifically looking at the outcome of say for example myocardial infarction with atrial fibrillation. For example, I have a research question which I am focusing to see the impact of this myocardial infarction complicated atrial fibrillation. So another option with at least one word, say that at least one word atrial fibrillation. This is like a PubMed. You are saying specific directions to the search without words. Say for example, I do not wish to arrhythmias. I do not wish this general term arrhythmias to appear in my search, and it is asking where do you wish this article, the words to appear in anywhere in the article, because any article discuss many things in introduction, method, discussion. So if you are saying that these things should appear anywhere in the article, that will show you too many articles. So for example, you want to be specific, you say okay, no, I just want these things only in the title of article. Show me studies that have these search words, these specific keywords only in the title. Here you can specifically look into work of a certain author, and you can name author that okay, I want to see the work of XYZ authors on this topic. There are many authors who have worked a lot on certain areas, so you can compile all those studies. And you can also be specific that okay, I wish to see articles on this topic published only in New England Journal Medicine. It's a top article, so you can, and here you can give the date. So say for example a date is selected, and let's run a search and see what it is showing. See that it has not turned out any results. because I told you initially that this Google Scholar is not as specific a source as PubMed, but you can use this option as well. So this is the two ways to search the Google Scholar, either a simple way or you can search it in a advanced manner. So this is not as that difficult. If you have seen the videos on PubMed in detail, this will be very easy for you. Thank you.